Diba, if you remember, yung tourist po yung first aid booth natin. So it's unmanned po siya. So kung may mga turista na kailangan ng emergency assistance, they can always press the button, and the button is connected to the command center ni Mayor, na meron nung sasagot doon, may makakausap ka in case of emergency, na magagabayan ka kung paano mo, kung ano man ho yung hinihingi mong tulong is matutugunan ka. And of course, the personnel of the city government in the command center are well equipped and well trained to help yung mga turista natin in case of emergency. So yun din yung aming parang MDRRM o sa ibang munisipyo, ibang lugar, ganun din po, nakakonect yung command center. Once they press the emergency button, diretso po yun at malalaman kaagad ng command center. May identification po yun kung saan eksaktong area yung pinrest na booth, kasi I think 3 booth yung nandito ng Mayor. So hiwa-hiwalay po yan, and ang kauna-unahang nailagay namin as a model is the city of Baguio, and then we will also be putting up in Puerto Galera and in Siargao, and then the rest of the other tourist area like Bohol, Boracay. So yun po yung mga next na nasa pipeline.
Well, all types of emergency. Let's say, for example, biglang nagkaroon ng hypertension, o kaya nahilo, o kaya nagkaroon bigla ng stroke, o kaya may fainting. All they have to do is yung sino ang next of kin o yung mga friends niya, siguro tatakbo na lang dyan, pipindutin lang, makikipag-usap. Just a matter of siguro a few minutes lang. Alam mo naman dito sa Baguio, pagdating sa police assistance, nag-a-average lang kami sa 7 minutes. Pagdating sa medical assistance, lalo na sa ganitong lugar, siguro abot yun tayo ng mga matagal na yung 12 minutes to 15 minutes. Kasi tayo kabilis kasi everyday